Hi guys! Welcome to part 2 of Toyota Fortuner unwrapping and rewrapping. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood sa inyo ng part 1, here's a quick recap. So what we did on part 1 is we unwrapped the car. So it was previously wrapped by other wrap shop using a matte black. So right now on part 2, we are now rewrapping it using a Supreme Gloss Black. Normally, we wrap the major panels first, then after that, we normally remove the panels, especially yung mga handles to ensure yung quality ng service as well as the durability na naka-install sa films. Just like what you see on the handles, it was wrapped by Gloss Black. The process goes with the spoiler. After removing the spoiler, we check the surface, then now we apply the Gloss Black. So, ang gusto ko lang sa Supreme vinyls, it's very durable and it's very flexible to install. So, one of the most important thing is cleaning the panel before applying yung wrap vinyls natin. Then after that, we use a removable spray paint doon sa mga emblems natin, then we put it back meticulously. After that, we do a quality control dun sa mga na-wrap na panels to ensure yung quality of service. Next part is my most favorite part. It's very satisfying. We remove yung laminated cover ng film natin. This additional layer protects the film from scratches and squeegee damages during installation. Last part is the cleaning part. Overall, we really love the outcome of the Fortuner. We really like yung Supreme vinyls, especially it perfectly blends dun sa Toyota Fortuner. The vinyl is very sleek, it's very beautiful, and we hope to see you guys soon in our next video.